Welcome back to a new video from your favorite YouTube channel, Crypto Express. Today's video is going to be very interesting as we will discuss the possibility of why and how Safemoon is going to be the next $1 trillion coin. So make sure you don't miss any parts of the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, please note that this video does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move has a risk, and viewers should do their own research before making a choice. So without wasting any time, let's start. Since the first week of 2022, the price of Safemoon has been going down, but there are signs that it might turn around. The bullish divergence indicates that Safemoon is ready to rally 100% to the immediate resistance barrier at 0.000962. If the daily candlestick closes below 0.000357, a lower low will be made, which proves that the bullish thesis is wrong. Safemoon's price has been on a losing streak for more than 4 months and shows signs of a potential recovery. The daily time frame reveals a bullish pattern that is in development and could trigger a reversal. It's been a very difficult past few weeks for Safemoon V2. Accusations of fraud against top executives shed unwanted light on the project, while broader market losses have compounded losses on SFM. The result? Safemoon V2 is trading below its major moving averages and downside risks are still intact. However, the situation is now changing as a discounted price did bring back some investors briefly as SFM regained 60% of its value. Since then, bulls have attempted a workaround. Investors have been accumulating since 30 April, and important indicators such as the RSI and MACD have shown that bulls are gaining more strength in the market. In normal circumstances, current RSI readings can reignite interest among bullish investors, but the situation was anything but straightforward for SFM. While FUD was still a factor among the Safemoon community, a below-par Bitcoin, which suffered another weekend correction, was not ideal for the overall health of the crypto market. Safemoon's price has dropped significantly since January 6, with the cryptocurrency losing around 88% of its value. Even though there is a lot of bearishness, Safemoon has made equal lows around 0.000355. This development signals the construction of a possible base as well as the possibility of a reversal in the trend. The bullish divergence, which also points to a good outcome, makes this prediction even stronger. When the asset's price establishes lower lows and the relative strength index or RSI forms higher lows, this technical pattern is referred to as a double bottom. Even though the price of Safemoon has dropped in the short term, the setting suggests that the market is becoming more bullish. In order to brace for a swift reversal, investors should anticipate that the Safemoon price will retest the immediate resistance barrier at 0.000962. This run-up would result in a gain of approximately 100% for investors, and it is likely that this is the point at which the upside potential is exhausted. While things appear to be improving for the Safemoon price, the negative market structure has the potential to overshadow the optimistic indications highlighted previously. A daily candlestick close below 0.000357 will result in a lower low and undermine the bullish thesis for the Safemoon price in this scenario. In such a scenario, Safemoon may continue to fall and may even hit new low levels. As a result, when waiting for the positive signal, investors should keep this in mind as well. As a saving grace for SFM, after months of being under wraps, Mandala Exchange has revealed that it will list Safemoon or SFM on its platform in 5 days on the 10th of May 2022. Safemoon's Mandala listing was first scheduled to be released on the 15th of February 2022. The date was then moved to the 17th of February. However, due to technical issues, the listing was again postponed without a fixed date. However, after months of waiting, Mandala has finally given Safemoon fans a release date. Users and investors have been waiting eagerly for Mandala to be listed, so this news is sure to make them feel better. The listing may attract new SFM investors, and the trading volume for the DeFi token is projected to increase. Safemoon has almost 3 million holdings, and with the Mandala listing, this number is likely to increase. Moreover, Mandala will be the first exchange to have global tokenomics for Safemoon. Those who wish to trade the DeFi token on the platform will be subject to a 10% SFM tax as well as an additional Mandala fee. Overall, it seems that Safemoon has a bright future ahead of it. It has a direct stake in decentralized finance, and as this grows in the coming years, we expect the price of Safemoon to rise accordingly. What's more, its V2 updates and impressive other features are constantly updating the coin's ease of use, accessibility, and security. However, investors should be aware that because the coin is an altcoin, its price can change a lot, which can cause a lot of volatility. The price of Safemoon has struggled over the past few months following the bearish crypto trajectory of the wider markets. However, Business2 community expects that as markets recover, the price could surpass its previous all-time high and reach the 0.00001 pound level. As decentralized finance grows in popularity, Safemoon could see a higher number of users. In addition to this, as the developers make more and more updates to the coin, it will become more widely accessible to the public. As such, Business2 community predicts the coin could rise to the 0.1 pound level by the end of 2023. The price of crypto is very hard to predict due to it being such a volatile asset. But if things keep going the way they have been and more people start using decentralized finance, Business2 community thinks the price of Safemoon could go above 1 pound by the end of 2025. The Safemoon price forecast throughout the rest of this year is likely to depend on two main factors. Firstly, the broader crypto markets will shape the trajectory of the coin. As was already said, there seems to be a clear link between stock markets and crypto markets. For example, when inflation and rising interest rates make the news, both fall. As rates rise, people can earn higher returns on savings and safer investments, so they should pull their money out of riskier assets such as stocks and crypto. This could be a limiting factor for the crypto markets this year. If this is the case, then Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two crypto market leaders by market cap, will likely struggle to produce growth. If this happens, the bearish trend will spread to altcoins like Safemoon, making it hard for them to make gains. The second factor which will shape the growth of the coin throughout the rest of the year is what extra utility and updates we see from the coin. Safemoon is a decentralized token operating on the Binance Smart Chain. Its utility derives from how it manages transactions. Overall, it will likely be a toss-up between how the broader crypto market reacts and how many people realize the utility of the project. If the second factor can outweigh the first, then the Safemoon price will likely see another encouraging rise throughout the rest of the year. To sum up the discussion, on the basis of arguments discussed in the video, one can say that Safemoon has the tendency to become the next trillion-dollar coin in the near future. Also, it's important to note that the opinions in this video are not investment advice, they're only for informational purposes. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your research prior to making decisions. The Crypto Express channel does not recommend any investments. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.